To make this artwork, I'm just using some acrylic paint. And I've placed a little bit in my cup, and I'm just going to add a little bit of water. Because I want to thin this down so that it will move on my canvas. Okay, and I have them all ready. So now I'm just going to start pouring it on my canvas, and I'm going to go with my darkest color first. I'll pour that on. And I'll now go with my next color. And then my red. And white. So that's all you have to do. And then I'm just going to take my blow dryer and I'm going to just let it form its own design. And I have a board in the back there so that it won't blow all over my room. And I'm using it on the cold setting. Now that's what it looks like now. So I'm just going to add some other spots here. So I'll put a red color here, and some blue in the middle, and some white. And I'm going to do the same thing. Looks pretty good, but I'm going to add some more here. So I'll do some light blue and some white, and again. I'm going to keep doing that until I fill up my canvas. So I'll do another little spot over here. I'll do some red and some blue. Another little spot here in red, and some white, and some blue. And if I have some white spots, I can just smear a little bit of the color, finish it off right to the edges. With a brush, I'm just going to pick up the color and I'm going to do an edge. And then just tap with my stick wherever I have touched the front of the canvas. And I'm going to give it one last shot right in the center. And I'm going to do it on the heat now. So I'm just going to do number 10, and that's also going to dry it, and it'll be done. And there you have it, some spontaneous artwork.